The Sound of Scars is directed by Leigh Brooks, a deeply personal documentary about the 30-year-old journey of a cult band overcoming all kinds of obstacles. It chronicles the story of Life of Agony, a Brooklyn alternative metal band. It goes deep into their rise, fall, and rebirth while confronting domestic violence, substance abuse, depression, and lead singer Mina Caputo's gender transition. The amount and the variety of the archive footage is remarkable. It definitely shapes the storytelling, because no matter what the topic might be, there is always a clip, a photograph, or an interview from the past 3 decades. The documentary makes a clear case about the way music can be used as an escape from the harshness of reality. In this case, the crude reality of the New Jersey scene of the early 90s. One way or the other, all the band members channeled their anger and angst through music. The story of the band intertwines with the story of Mina Caputo, the very first openly transgender singer. It is impossible to tell one story without including the other. Besides, they are both perfectly balanced throughout the 90 minutes runtime. Even though it may seem as if Mina's story overshadows Life of Agony's, all the band members experience similar issues that shape their personalities for better or worse, and they all get their chance to make amends with the past. Just like it usually happens with any artistic movement, the hardcore and metal scene help them exorcise all of their traumas. And that's something director Leigh Brooks captured perfectly. The honesty of the band members is humbling. They get to tell their story in the most unfiltered way possible. The Sound of Scars becomes an emotional journey about letting things go, moving forward, and confronting your demons through the healing power of music. So I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Thank you guys as always for watching. The Sound of Scars has been released on multiple cable and VOD platforms such as iTunes, Amazon Video, and Vudu. So if you happen to see it, please feel free to return to this video and just drop a comment below. I will continue doing both English and Spanish reviews on my channel, so if you would like to subscribe, that would actually be awesome. And hopefully, I'll see you next time.